We want to be a leader in talent and knowledge and bringing those together in a way that will make a tremendous impact, not only in Canada, but around the world. And this is the reason why we wanted to be here today, because we are embarking upon some areas that we believe that we can categorize as global challenge, global opportunities.
What we're doing in our business, we're looking at how AI applies to our business. How does it help our journalism? How can we use it to analyze data faster and deliver content?
We are moving from the information age to the age of intelligence. According to the late Professor Stephen Hawking, intelligence is the ability to adapt to change.
The reason you have to start now is that the lead time is significant. When you think about the billions of things that are connected to the internet or the network today, all of those need to be updated at some point.
I think we should ask ourselves, what kind of inspiring high-tech future would we like to have? And then figure out how to steer towards that.
I think that the best AI that's going to affect the most people is usually what I'd consider humble AI, which is it is working in the background to make experiences more frictionless for you, to make things a little bit more intuitive, and cut down the steps you need to take to do what it knows you are trying to do.
My own area of research, I'm very interested in how decision makers interact, be they humans, software programs, robots, and so where tensions might appear and how can we use ideas from AI so as to reduce those tensions and hopefully get sort of better outcomes overall.
As a patient, imagine you went to a doctor, the doctor told you you had a particular sickness, and then you asked the doctor, oh, well, really, what's the reasoning behind that? And I said, a couple of neurons fired in my brain and I came to that decision. That's not really terribly convincing. So one of the key things we try to do is create AI that will explain the entire process to the doctor as I think you should look into this because of X, Y, and Z.
We're just at the tip of the iceberg in terms of realizing the capabilities of quantum computers. We know they're more powerful. We have examples, concrete examples where they're more powerful, but we don't understand the scope of the impact they will have.
How we can make humans evolve faster. I don't think that we've reached the pinnacle of our evolution. There's far more for us to go. And so maybe this is a right time for us, as well as thinking about artificial intelligence, to think about human intelligence.